Welcome back to the Winterberry Wildlife Tech Series. Today we'll be using some Windows and Excel hacks to get a listing of trail camera files, including creation date and time, into an Excel spreadsheet. We'll start in the Windows File Explorer, where I've opened a folder which contains a number of trail camera videos. Having selected the details listing format in the top of the window, you can see that Windows has what we want, the names and creation dates for each video. Unfortunately, we can't just copy and paste these into a spreadsheet because Windows treats them as files rather than names of files. To get just a listing, we can open up a command prompt from the Windows search tool. This gives a command line console. Here, I can type in dir followed by the path name for the folder I'm interested in. The dir command creates a listing of the folder contents, including creation date, size, and name of each of the files as text. Now we can use Ctrl-C to copy this text into the clipboard. We opened up an Excel spreadsheet and use Ctrl-V to paste the directory listing from the clipboard to the spreadsheet. We're almost done, but not quite. By default, Excel will paste the listing, including creation date, file size, and file name into a single column. But we want these properties in different columns. To fix this, we can go to the Data Control ribbon pane and select Text to Columns. This will open up a wizard for extracting the listing into a number of columns. Since the dir command produces fixed width columns, we can select Fixed Width. The preview window shows the default columns. These aren't quite what we want, since the date and time and AM/PM fields show up in different columns. We want them in the same column, so we use the mouse to drag away the line separating those fields. This looks good, so we hit Finish. And now we have what we wanted. A spreadsheet with creation dates, file size, and file names for each of our trail camera captures. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit subscribe to see more videos on trail camera technology.